See, prepare cash budget of Sunil Gavaskar Limited for the months of April, May and June 2002. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, months from January to June, the information is given about sales, purchases, wages, expenses. And below they have a few adjustments. So let us quickly start. Come on, write down company's name, that is Sunil Gavaskar Limited. Have you started? Yes, did you start? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So Sunil Gavaskar Limited, and then you can write cash budget from April to June. From April to June. Okay. Now, make the columns. How many columns will you make? How many columns?
Ma'am, 3.
No. 3 months are there. April, May and
4.
June. So particulars,
4.
with particulars, you will make 4 columns.
Ma'am,
Okay.
4. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 4. So start with particulars and then make the column of April, then May, and the last one will be June. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yes,
shall we
ma'am.
start? See, first we need opening balance of April. So look at the adjustment number E, fifth adjustment. Cash and bank balance as on 31st March was 3 lakhs. For 31st March, it is closing balance 3 lakhs. And for 1st April, it will become,
Opening balance.
yes. So for the April, you start with opening balance, then next line will be receipts, and leave a few lines and write down payments. This is how the format is. Okay. Now opening balance of April. How much?
3 lakhs.
3
Ma'am, 3
lakhs.
lakhs.
Very good. Adjustment number 5. Huh? Closing balance is given on for 31st March. So for 31st March, it is closing balance. The same will become opening for April. And that's what we want. Opening of April. Okay. So that is 3 lakhs. Now let us start slowly and gradually. See first point. Look at the first adjustment. 50% of purchases and sales are on cash. Very, very, very important. Wait. I will tell you here. This is our sum number 10. Okay. Now see. What he says is 50% of purchases and sales are on cash. So let us look at the point of purchases first. First, let us do purchases because the first thing he says is 50% of purchases are on cash. So suppose if you are selling products or if you are purchasing raw material on cash. So what do you mean by that? Can anybody tell me the meaning of purchases and sales on cash? On cash means what?
Ma'am, we are paying on cash.
We are paying on the spot. That means
Yes, ma'am.
no credit period is given. You are paying on the spot. And if you're selling, you are receiving money on the spot. That is known as cash, on cash. One thing is on cash, another thing is on credit. So on credit means you will receive the payment after few days. After a few days means any date in the future, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months, maybe 1 month. So that is known as credit period. But if it is on cash, then you don't have to wait. You will receive the payment for that sales. You will receive the payment on the spot. Suppose if
Same
you're
month.
going on a, yeah, same month. Very good. Same month. So on cash means same month because it is received on the spot. Suppose purchase, we are talking about purchases. No, I have purchased raw material from the creditors in the month of January. So I'm going to pay them in January only on the spot. So for February, it will be February. So for March, it will be in the month of March only. I'm going to pay them in the month of March only. But how much? 50 percentage, not full amount. So January's purchases 90,000. Take 50 percentage of that, that is 45,000. And if you are purchasing that in the month of January, you have to pay them in the month of January. But how much you will pay them? Only 50 percentage on the spot. That means in the month of January. So how much you are going to pay them? 45,000.
45,000.
Yes, and that is 50 percentage of 90,000. 90,000 are the I mean it is the worth of raw material purchased in the month of January. Okay, but we are not thinking about January because we have not made any column of January, February, March. I know they have given information about that, but we are not thinking about January, February, and March. We have to think about April, May, and June because we have made the columns of April, May, and June. So start with April. Tell me, the same month of April is April, the same month of May is May, and the same month of June is June. So how you are going to write that? Uh, just a minute. How you need to write that, I will tell you. Give me just a minute. Okay. So this will be April, May, and June. What was opening balance of April? 3 lakhs, no?
Ma'am, 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to come down to the payments. Come down to the payments, and here you will write same month. Wait, huh? Don't write anything. I will tell you. Creditors. First of all, creditors means the one from whom I purchase the raw material. So I'm talking about purchases. So purchases is divided into two parts, A and B. A is 50 percentage, 50 percentage, same month, 50 percentage, same month. Okay. And two is, wait. And the second part is, see, read out the second adjustment. The second adjustment. The average collection period, he is talking about sales. Huh? Collection period means daters. Daters means sales. Average collection period of the company is half a month. And credit purchases, this is what I want now because I am talking about purchases. And credit purchases are paid off regularly after 1 month. Means 1 month following. After 1 month means 1 month following. But how much is my credit purchases? How much is my credit purchase? 50%. Why 50%? Because out of the total purchases, 50% were on cash. So rest 50% will be on credit. Is it now clear, everybody? Read out first and second
Yes, ma'am.
adjustment together. You will definitely understand them. Because he says 50% of the purchases. Purchases means total purchases. Out of total purchases, 50% is on cash. So rest 50% will be on credit. No. Okay. So 50-50%. Therefore, I will write here another 50% will be 1 month following. Are you guys understanding this point? Have you understood this much? Have you
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
See, this is the part that I have
Yes,
started.
ma'am.
This
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
one that I have started. Okay. So 50% same month, 50% 1 month following. See how easy it is. Very, very, very easy. Okay. Now tell me purchases. For April, we are going to start with same month and we are going to finish first same month. So we need to think about April. What is same month of April? Come on, quickly. What is same month of April?
April.
Very good, April. Same month of April? April. And same month of May? May. So you have to think about same
May.
month. Okay. Now take April. We are on the point of purchases. We are on the point of purchases. Come to April. Directly April. Why? Because for April, same month is April. So you have to think about April. Now April is 1 lakh. Take 50 percentage of 1 lakh which is on cash. Tell me. 1 lakh ka 50
Ma'am,
percentage.
50,000.
Very good. So here you will write
50,000.
50,000. Very simple. Next. For May, which is the same month. Which is same month for May.
Ma'am, May.
May. Very
May.
good. So you have to think
May.
about May and come to purchases. 90,000 is the purchases of May. So you have to take
45,000.
90,000 or 50% of 90,000.
No.
What you have to
Ma'am,
take?
50% of
Very good.
90,000.
Very good. 50
50%.
percentage of 90,000. Very good. Next. Next. Now come to the month of June and take purchases of June. That is 70,000. So how much for 70?
35,000.
Very good.
35,000.
That is 50 percentage of 70,000. 35. Sorry. 50 percentage of 70,000 is 35,000. And that is same month. Means June ka June mein hi. For June, it will be June only. Now come to the next slot, that is another 50 percentage. That is 1 month following. So April is 1 month following of which month? We are standing on the column of April. I mean, we are standing in the column of April. So you have to think about which month. I mean, April is 1 month following of which month?
March.
Very good. So you have to think about March. Now start with March, come to purchases. It is 84,000. I know it is the purchase of March, but 50 percentage of the month of March will be paid in the April, in the month of April. So 84,000 into 50 percentage. How much it would be? How much it will be?
42,000.
42,000.
42,000. Very good. It is,
42,000.
yes, it is 50 percentage of 84,000. 84,000 belongs to the purchases of March. Let me repeat once again for you. I know it belongs to March, but you are going to pay in the month of April, and April is 1 month following of March. Okay, after March, 1 month following is April. So we are going correct. So our answer is correct. Now, May is 1 month following of which month?
April.
April. So you have to think about April. Come to purchases. It is 1 lakh. Tell me.
50,000.
Very good. 1 lakh ka 50 percentage. That is 50,000. So can you see? 50%, 1 lakh. Think about April only now. Just to check whether my answer is right or wrong. Okay. So think about April only. April total purchases are 1 lakh. He says out of 1 lakh, 50% is paid on the spot. On cash means on the spot. And rest 50% is paid in the next month after 1 month. So see, 1 lakhs, the 50 percentage of 1 lakh is 50,000. So 50,000 is paid in the same month, means April ka April mein only. And another 50,000 is paid in the month of May. So 50, 50. Can you see this cursor? Can you see my cursor? The slanting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It goes
Yes,
in
ma'am.
slanting way, right? So first 50 percentage will be in same month, another 50 percentage in next month. Okay. Now come to the 1 month following of June. June is 1 month following of which month?
May.
May. Very good.
May.
Think about May. What is 50% of May?
45,000.
45,000.
45,000. So again slanting. See slanting. 45,000 will be paid in May only. Another 45,000 will be paid in the month of June. So 45 plus 45, 90. And yes, in month of May, it was 90,000 ka purchases. So we are going correct. We are doing very smoothly. It is correct. Is it now clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now first adjustment and second adjustment was related to sales also. So let us now quickly start with sales. So you have to be very careful. Huh? Now you may feel something which is a little tricky. Okay. See, 50% of sales are on cash. So let us quickly do this. Okay. 50% of sales are on cash. So I will write here cash sales. Cash sales. In the bracket I will write same month. Always remember, cash sales means same month. The way we did for cash purchases. Okay. 50%. So you will write here in the bracket, or if you don't want to write in the bracket, you can come down to the next line and you can write this way. Okay, cash sales 50% same month. Now, tell me the total sales of, sorry, which is the same month of April. We are now standing here in the month of April. So which is the same month for April?
Ma'am,
April.
April.
April. So you have to think about April, come to sales. Sales is of April, sales is 1,80,000. So you have to take 50% only. Tell me,
90,000.
1,80,000 into 50%. What is that?
90,000.
1,000.
So here you will write 90,000. See how simple it is. 90. Now come to May. The same month of May is May. So you have to come to sales of May. Come to sales of May. It is 1,70,000. So what is 50% of 1,70,000?
85,000.
85,000. Very good. Now come to June. For June, same month is June. So think about sales of June is 1,60,000. 1,60,000 ka into 50%. What is 50%?
80,000.
80,000.
80.
80,000.
Now is it clear? Is it now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see what they say. What they say in the next adjustment. Now see, from total sales, half is gone. 50 per first adjustment, half. 50% is gone because it was on the cash basis. Now think about rest 50%. Rest of the 50%. What he says, the average collection period means debtors. He's talking about debtors of the company is half month. No, half month? What do you mean by half month? How can we divide month? How can we divide into half month? Amount can be divided in half. How can month be divided in half? How will I write here? 1 month following, 2 month following, half month following is what? I don't understand, ma'am. What is half month? See, guys, don't misunderstand. This is half month means half of the amount is followed by 1 month following. Half is talking about, I mean, half is given as regards to the payment. Half is given as regards to the amount that is going to be received from the debtors. So half month means the month is not half. Amount has to be done half. Are you guys following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Let
can you
me,
repeat this point again?
yes. I will repeat in the form of example. I will give you example. Half is given in the terms of amount, not in the terms of month. He says half month, but we need to consider the amount as half half. Now, listen very, very carefully. Whenever he says half month, it means what? It means 50% same month, 50% same month, and another 50% 1 month following. Another 50% 1 month following. Did you understand this much? Yes or no? See,
Yes,
whenever,
ma'am. Understood.
yeah, whenever he says half, half means 50-50. Half means 50-50. Okay. Or otherwise, if you don't understand this 50%, write half. Whatever he says, write that way only. Don't get confused. Half means 50% only. So if you don't understand 50, write half. Okay. Half, if he says half month, he means half will be in same month, half will be 1 month following. This is what he means of half month. Is it clear? This much. आगे नहीं, आगे का मैंने आपको कुछ नहीं बताया. Is it clear जितना मैंने बताया? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Now, if it is clear, half is same month. So let us start with the same month. Half same month, half 1 month following. But remember, 50% is already gone in the same month. So now I'm talking about rest 50 percentage. So here I will write 50 percentage. Rest 50 percentage collection from debtors will be half half. Again, that amount of 50 percentage will be divided into two parts. I will tell you, don't worry. I will tell you what does he mean. Okay. Now what you have to do is same month. Come to the slot of same month. For April, same month is April. Now come to the April sales of April 1,80,000. Out of 1,80,000, 50 percentage is gone in the first adjustment on the cash basis. So I'm talking about only 50 percentage, rest of the 50 percentage. So what you have to do, see, come to the working note. I'm just explaining you, okay? This is, I'm talking about April sales, okay? Now it is 1,80,000, 1,80,000 into 50 percentage. Why? Because 50 percentage was on cash basis. So another 50 percentage will be on credit basis. Credit basis. Okay. So how much it would be? It would be 90,000. But now he says that 90,000 is again divided half half. So 90,000 into
45,000.
half. Very good. 90,000 into half will be 45,000. 45,000 same month. 45,000 same month. And another 45,000. Half means same, no? One half means 45,000. Another half means 45,000 will be in the next month. Means 1 month following. This is working note made for you. You can also make this working note, but you have to make it for one month only. Don't make it for April, May, June. Okay. You are going to make it for any of the 1 months. Any of the months. Okay. So that you understand that where did it come from. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It is another half. I will write here another half. Okay. So 90,000 into half is 45 same month, and another half 45,000 will be 1 month following. So here you will write 45,000 in the statement. In the statement you will write 45,000. Are you guys following? Make the working
Yes,
note.
ma'am.
Make the working note. I'm giving you 1 minute. Done? Everybody done? Yes, done with the working note?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you understand where this 45,000 comes from. This 45,000, same month. Okay. Now for May. For May, same month is, come on, quickly. For May, same month
May.
is May. Now come to the sales of May. Come to the month of May, sales of May, 1,70,000. Out of 1,70,000, take 50 percentage of that. So 1,70,000 into 50 percentage is how much?
85,000.
But that 85 again has to be divided by 2. Half means divided by 2. So you can do shortcut, divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much is that?
42,000.
42,500.
Very good, very good. So same way with June. For June, same month is June. And the June sales is 1,60,000. So first you have to take 1,60,000 into 50 percentage. And that amount has to be divided. 50 percentage is how much?
80,000.
So 80,000 divided by 2 is how much?
40,000.
Very good. So here you will write 40,000. Now come to the slot of 1 month following. Now April is 1 month following of which month?
March.
So you have to now take the sales of March. Think about March. Take the sales of March. How much is the sales of March? Come on, quickly tell me.
50,000.
1,50,000. Now 1,50,000 into 50 percentage. First you have to take 50 percentage. So how much is 50 percentage?
75,000.
Yeah, that 75,000 will again be divided by 2. Half means divide by 2. So how much is divide by 2?
37,500.
So here you will write,
37,500.
very good, very good. So here you will write 37,500. Okay, now May. May is 1 month following of which month?
April.
Okay,
April.
so sales of April is how much? Sales of April is how much?
1,80,000.
So take 1,80,000.
180,000.
50% of 1,80,000 is how much?
90,000.
Very good. But for that 90, you have to divide. Again, that 90,000 will be divided into 2 parts. Half means 2 parts divided by 2.
45,000 again.
Yes, 45,000. And come to the month of June. June is 1 month following of which month?
May.
So May, sales of May is 1,70,000. 50% of 1,70,000 will be how much?
85,000.
Divide by 2 is how much?
42,500.
42,500. Again, that's slanting. See, 42,500 same month, 42,500 next month. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
See, 45,000 here and 45,000 here. So slanting. 45,000 same month, 45,000 next month. Means 1 month following. Is it now clear how we need to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now first and second adjustment is over. Come to the next adjustment. Time lag in the payment of wages is 1 month. 1 month means 1 month following. So for March it will be April. For April it will be May. And for May it will be June. Very simple. So you need to start with March. Okay. Tell me the wages of March is 44.
44,000.
44,000 is the wages of March. But you are going to pay them in the month of,
April.
yes, and we have to think about April only. Okay, so wages will be payments. Wages are my payments. So you will write here 1 month following. 1 month following. Write down, come on, fast, quickly. 1 month following. Tell me, the wages of March is 44,000 will be paid in April. So in the month of April, 44,000 will come. Okay, tell me. For the month of May, May is 1 month following of which month?
April.
So what is the wages of
April.
what is the wages of April?
48,000.
Very good. So here you will write 48,000 in the month of May. Actually, it belongs to the April in the for the I mean it belongs to the month of April, but we are going to pay them in the month of May. And June is 1 month following of which month? May. So wages of May is how much? Wages of May.
40,000.
Yeah, wages
40,000.
of May will be paid in the month of June 40,000. Actually, it is wages of May 40,000, but it is going to be paid in the month of June. Therefore, we need to show it in the month of June. Okay, wages done. 3 adjustments are done. Rent, fourth adjustment. Rent of rupees 1,000 payable every month. You have to pay every month rent of rupees 1,000 every month. So here next payment. Rent you have to pay. So here you will write rent bracket every month. Bracket every month. So tell me, every month means what? Every month means
Same month.
same month every month. Same month every month. That means 1,000 every month. 1,000 in April, 1,000 May, and 1,000 in June. Every month. Every month. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After
Yes,
rent,
ma'am.
we have opening balance of closing balance of March, which was our opening balance of April, and we have shown that. Next, dividend received in May 36,000. Dividend received is my income or my expense?
Ma'am, income.
Very good. It is my income.
Income.
So it will go in receipts. First of all, it is my income. Another thing, it will go in receipts. And third thing, it is received in May. So we need to show it in the month of May only. Only May. So here I will write. Dividend received. Dividend received. Okay. When it is received in the month of May. So in the month of April, I will show it as nil. Nil. And how much it is received in May? How much it is received in May?
36,000.
36,000.
Very good, 36,000. And how much it is received in June? Nothing. So nil. Are you guys following?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay. Next point. After dividend, we have professional fees to be paid. Paid means expenses, payments. Professional fees to be paid in the month of June 1,500. It is to be paid in only in the month of June. So here I will write professional fees in the month of June. So what I will do in the month of April and May?
Nil.
Nil. Very good. How much is paid in the month of June? 1,500
One.
rupees. 1,500 rupees. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, last point. Expenses are paid in the same month. Expenses are paid. Expenses means these expenses. In the table, last point. In the table, last column, expenses. Same month. So I will write here. I will write after professional fees, expenses, and in the bracket, I will write same month. In the bracket, I will write same month. So tell me, for April, same month is April. So expenses of April is 14,000. I will write 14,000 in the month of April only because it is same month. May 12,000. So same 12,000 will be written in May only. because he says same month. And for June is how much? Can you tell me for June? How much for June?
Ma'am, 10,000.
very good.
10,000.
And it will be paid in June only. It belongs to June. It will be paid in June only. So same month means June. For June, it will be June. Okay. And now tell me, is any other adjustment that is left out? Is any other thing that is left out? Sales done, purchase done, wages done, expenses done, and all the adjustments are also done. So can we now close the account? Can we now close?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So tell me first, April, 3 lakhs, that is opening balance, plus 90,000, that is cash sales, and 45,000 and 37,500 credit sales. So what is the total receipts? That is block A. You will take opening balance plus receipts, huh? All
Ma'am,
things will be appearing.
4,72,500.
Very good. So what all things you took, what all things you have taken in 4,72,500 opening balance plus all receipts. Now tell me the total payments. Tell me the total payments. 50,000, 42,000, 44,000, 1,000 and 14,000.
1,51,000.
1,51,000. Now A minus B. A minus B, 4,72,500 minus 1,51,000 is how much?
3,21,500.
It is positive answer. 3,21,500 is the closing balance of April. Now same will become opening balance for
May.
May. Very good. Write down in the opening balance of May 3,21,500. The opening balance of April will become, sorry, the closing balance of April will become opening for May. So 3,21,500 opening balance, add all receipts in that opening balance.